Hi. Today we're going to tell you about 4 steps to become successful in using Google Ads for business. Although the service strays far from traditional advertising models, it's still a better option for businesses wanting to leverage against competitors online. But how do companies become successful with it? Here are some steps to follow. Let's get started. Learn to plan ahead. The service starts with a plan, something that's cohesive, achievable, and timed. By knowing your company's goals, you're steering your company to where you'd want to go. Think strategically and focus on the areas that are more likely to drive the best results. It would also be good to analyze your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to know precisely which parts of your brand may need more attention than others. Select the best keywords. It's vital to categorize keywords for easier management. For example, group a set of specific keywords pointing to a particular crowd or audience. Next, choose more general terms and try to keep them as relevant as possible. Lastly, choose a good number for each keyword grouping, at least 10 to 20 tags per group. Produce share-worthy advertisements. Google Ads isn't powerful enough without the witty or share-worthy advertisement. If you're filming a video you plan to use as a commercial, make sure it corresponds to your target audience and current trends while containing a value that's worth the share. Test your ads to see if they work. The best way to know which tags or keywords are most successful is by running a test for the ads. By broadcasting the same advertisement using different keywords, you'll know exactly which will produce the best results. Therefore, you should leave the best one after the test run and start editing the underperforming ads to make sure they do well on your next planned posting. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.